Well, there's another video online that you need to look up, but if you look up blower resistor, this is the blower resistor, and here's the thing that controls it. So my situation was the fan worked on this position and this position, but didn't work on the low. And there's a plug that plugs into this, and if you unplug it, you'll get to where it only works on high. So that's probably how to diagnose the situation. In my case, I had quite a bit of water in here. There was a leak, and so one of these screws, the inboard screw, was just, which is the harder one to get out, that was, look at it, it's pristine. The other one was super rusty. I can't find it now. So I had to get an SAE version, which is I think a number 10 by 3/4, but I decided to get it in stainless. And here's the replacement part that I'm using. There's a big variety of costs out there, but this one is near identical. It's not the cheapest one I could find. I don't know, maybe you just get a cheap one. So I'll show you just a little bit more, but again, you want to look at the other video where there's a guy that does a better job that I'm going to be doing on taking it out. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to test this thing now to see if it fixes my problem. I've just taken this connector and I put it on the new resistor, and this thing is metal and it gets really hot. When you put it on, the lower the speed, the hotter it gets. So this is a way to test before you end up pulling this thing out. You can just put the connector on the part, if you suspected it, you know, that this is the problem, put the connector on the part you got and fire it up and see if it fixes your problem. I'm going to try. I have the air conditioner on low, but the issue is going to be since the resistor's out of the next to the blower and there's a leak, I got to go feel down there at the hole. Well, I definitely feel air coming out that hole. So this thing is so hot right now. You got to be careful not to touch it. It's got to cool off now. But I think it fixed. I didn't quite have the right part. This is a little too long. 3/4 is a little too long. Yeah, so I had to, I put some corrosion inhibitor on the stainless steel screw. I'm not sure if these are stainless washers, but anyway, this is like where it got really wet, right? So I think there's water coming out of this thing somehow, and I'm in California, which is a dry climate, but somehow there's some water finding its way into this into this vent system. So I'm kind of trying to prepare for this, and only one side is affected. Only this side is affected by the water. This other side was dry. So there's something going on here, and look at all the rust that this other part had. Maybe y'all could tell me where you think that the water's coming through, and see if you've had the same issue. Just put it in the comments.